Set audacieux goal. Take some time to define your goal, making sure they are bold and ambitious. This goal should reflect your desire to have a significant impact on a fulfilling life. Embrasse problème en fêlure. Développe un mindset ta vie problème en fêlure à learning opportunity raté dans cette boc. Understand ta encountering challenge et natural part of the journey toward success. Diagnose problème. When faced with a problème en fêlure, don't just accept it à face value. Dig deep to identify the underlying cause. Could involve personal reflection, seeking feedback, or conducting a thorough analysis. Seek expert advice on feedback. Actively seek input from the individual WH possess expertise or perspective differ from your own. Could include mentor, colleague, or industry expert. Value share insight on consider how they can inform your decision making. Priorities continue learning. Recognize ta continue learning essential for personal and professional growth. Embrace the data failure and mistake are opportunity for learning and improvement. Implement design change. Based on your diagnosis, take concrete steps to address the root cause of problem. Could involve refining your approach, developing new skill, or seeking additional support. Cultivatant ida méritocratie. Encourage open and honest communication within your team or organisation. Foster en environ more differing opinion are value, en décision are made based on memory of idiarate en hierarchy or personal bias. Separate emotional attachment from idea. Practice detaching yourself emotionally from your own idea opinion. Be willing to put them to the test and accept feedback, even if it challenge your initial belief. Embrace humility in decision making. Recognize ta no on alt answer. Appro decision making with humility, acknowledging ta manual right. Team set allow for great adaptability en learning. Promote ta culture of learning en growth. Encourage those around you to be failure en challenge à opportunity for growth. Foster a culture or continue learning en improvement are value en celebrated. Remember tas implementing tes actions item require consiste efforant a willingness to challenge conventional thinking. Embrace the process of learning from failure en applying those lessons to make more informed decision in the future. Acknowledge your weakness enfin complementary strength. Understand that you don't need to overcome every weakness. Identify area where you know as strong enfin POP le WHO excel in those area. Collaborate with them to achieve better outcome. Embrace different perspectives. Recognize ta every own brain work differently. To gain a comprehensive understanding of a situation, is essential to consider various viewpoints. To help in making more informed decisions. Design your path forward. When faced with challenge or goal, take the time to design a clear path to navigate through them. Define your approach en plan your action strategically. Persistently pursue. Once you've designed your path, commit to executing it. Demonstrate determination en flexibility in finding way to achieve desired reçu. Embrace failure à learning opportunity. Understand ta failure evaluable tiché. Rate envying it negatively. Try it a puzzle. Analyse why you could do differently in the future to avoid similar reçu. Establish a culture of radical truthfulness and transparency. Foster en environ more open and honest communication y encouraged. Si incluse de bain transparente à bout tout, idea, en concerne, al will maintaining respect en car for on a noté. Crée un système for objective decision making. Développe a méthode for making decision ta leverage the collective wisdom of the team. Si quand involve using to look at dot collector to visualize different perspectives en data. Leverage technologie forte en cette decision making. Utilise technologie en algorithme to supplement decision making. Could involve creating system ta provide personalized insight en recommandation based on individual strength and weakness. Focus on meaningful relationship. Recognize ta relationship par a cornerstone of personal and professional growth. Priorities building deep and honest connection with other of a material success. Believe a challenge à jungle. Embrace audacious goal, even if TSM challenging. Envision this goal à jungle you must navigate. En surround yourself with individual WHO complement your skill en perspective. Constantly iterate en improve. Regularly revient analyse your action, décision, en outcome. Seek way to refine en your approach based on lesson learned. Embrace to glow for personal growth. value constructive criticisme en tout globe a form of genuine car en concerne. Recognise ta growth of tenor kir facing en comfortable truth. Economic cycle phase. Early stage of the late part of the cycle. Goldilocks phase. Economy united au haute north au cold, with balancée d'inflation en grotte. Concerne abou accumulated dépend obligation, particularly related to healthcare en pension. Toi economy. Differentiating between the bottom 60% en top 40% of the population in terms of economic well-being. Highlighting the growing wealth opportunity gap. Historical comparison. Drawing parallel between the current economic situation and the period leading up to 1937, which saw a debt crisis, low interest rate, and a wealth gap. Populisme. Discussing trees of populism a consequence of economic inequality and dissatisfaction. Technological disruption. Addressing the potential impact of advancing technology, particularly in terms of job displacement. Solution. Advocating for a national initiative to address economic inequality, focusing on education, skill development, and economic opportunity. Reflection on learning. Emphasizing the importance of learning from mistakes and constantly seeking improvement. Meditation. Redalio credi meditation with providing equanimity and enhancing creativity by accessing the subconscious and business advice. Running toi business, on in the present on giaret vers the future. Encouraging audacious goal setting and a focus on learning from failure. Investment strategy. Advocating for a diversified investment strategy and to perform well in various market conditions, analog to Dalio Alvite portfolio concept. Adaptability en perspective. Acknowledging ta predicting market movement et en certain taille crucial tout est adaptable en mettre en perspective. Redalio advice e rooted in principle of tout full désagrément, continue learning, en maintaining en equanimity and setting the face of economic challenge. A underscore importance of national initiative to address economic disparity advocate for a balanced, long-term approach to investing. Embracing reality en principe. On of the core message to Dalio emphasizes it importance of embracing reality. Si fondamental principle underscore tenaille to confront challengeant certain tidons. Bidouin so, individual can navigate through difficult situation with clarity en purpose. Dalio stress the significance of having an set of principle to guide decision making. The power of diversification. A game changing insight Dalio charity the significance of diversification in investing. Be properly balancing investment. Individual can reduce risk with to sacrificing return. Tia pro allo for a smooth in tough and volatile world of finance. To kelly in selecting equally good investment are uncorrelated, enabling them to offset a term movement. All season strategy. Dalio une veille à stratégie as to test of team, boasting an impressive track record of approximately 85% success over the past 75 years. Du bet all season strategy, it allowed investor to achieve consistent return while keeping loss to a maximum of 4%. Tia pro offer a sa figure against significant market do en turn. The role of meditation. Dalio credi méditation à cornerstone of et success. Practicing transcendental meditation. TM, for of a for decade, a attest to power in providing equanimity and enhancing creativity. Be fostering a connection between the conscious and subconscious and meditation become a tool for making sound decision, even in the midst of chaos. Living a legacy of wisdom. Looking to the future. Dalio emphasizes the importance of living behind a legacy of wisdom en principle. A forthcoming book on economic and investment principle will be testament to dedication to share valuable insight with future generation. In essence, Red Dalio wisdom extend far beyond realm of finance. Il live principle of a blueprint for success in endeavor, emphasizing the importance of embracing reality, having an set of principle, en adopting strategy to balance risk en revers. By internalizing these principle, individual can navigate through life challenge with purpose, resilience, and wisdom.